Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's SEPs tutorial, we will learn how to fix the not registered on network error on Android. This error occurs when the phone cannot connect to the mobile network, often due to SIM issues or incorrect network settings. First, restart your Android phone to refresh the network connection. Next, go to Settings. Then go to Mobile Network and ensure the mobile network mode is set correctly. If you have multiple SIM cards, make sure the correct SIM card is selected for network use. If the issue continues, remove the SIM card, clean it, and reinsert it. Also, check for software updates on your phone by going to Settings, scrolling all the way down, and tapping on Software Update. This option may vary by device model. If none of these steps work, contact your carrier to check for network outages or SIM card activation issues. That's it. We just learned how to resolve the not registered on network issue by checking network settings and verifying the SIM card. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.